This is the Colorado Bureau of Investigation with an Amber Child abduction alert. We have received this important announcement regarding an abducted child. The Westminster Police Department is searching for 13-year-old Alexis Bradford, last seen in the vicinity of 120th Avenue and Melody Drive about 11 o'clock this morning. Alexis is described as a white female with blonde hair and blue eyes, 5 feet and 5 inches tall, and 100 pounds. Alexis was last seen wearing a black and green North Face puffer jacket, red and black checkered pants, white Crocs, and glasses. Investigators believe Alexis may have been taken by Bradford Eblin, 45-year-old white male with green eyes and brown hair, 5 feet and 11 inches tall and 250 pounds, last seen wearing a black beanie, a black and white checkered flannel, and dark pants. They may be traveling in a possibly stolen 2018 black Ford Focus bearing Colorado license plate AQYQ22 that has dark tinted windows, black wheels, and a LYFT sticker in the front right lower windshield. If you have any information regarding this abduction, immediately call 911.